Danby DPF073C1BSLDD Designer 7.3 cu Food. 2-door apartment size refrigerator. Steel. This fashionable refrigerator from Danby is ideal for all types of households as it offers 7.3 cubic feet, 206 liters, of cooling space for your kitchen, dormitory, or rec room. Maintenance is as easy as can be with the convenient cycle defrost system, and finding your favorite beverages is a breeze due to the tall bottle storage in the door. This chic unit features easy-to-use mechanical controls. There are 3 adjustable glass refrigerator shelves and 1 adjustable/removable wire freezer shelf to provide maximum and versatile storage space. Your vegetables will be kept cool and easy to find in the crisper with glass cover. Left-handed or right-handed opening is your choice with the reversible door hinge, and this sturdy refrigerator can be installed flush against a wall with its smooth back design. There's also a 18-month warranty on parts and labor with in-home service. This chic unit features easy-to-use mechanical controls, easy to find in the crisper with glass cover. Manufactured in China. Refrigerator offers 3 adjustable, slide-out glass shelves, 1 transparent vegetable crisper, 4 clear door shelves. Includes 2 front-mount adjustable leveling legs and 2 castors mounted at the back. Allow for easy movement. Dimensions: width 21/7/16 inch, depth 22/5/16 inch, height 56/5/16 inch. Loading capacity 206 liters. Danby DPF073C1BSLDD Designer 7.3 cu Food. 2-door apartment size refrigerator. Steel. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.